No let that, you know. You know, they vex me, don't they pay me. Now you come and they go look you say, you no go school, you no sabi anything. Now I come remember say, if you tell me say, you go become a lecturer if you grow.
Well, Ankata, you see my brother, apart from the engineering work that I learned, that is building construction. Apart from that building construction, I want to become a lecturer that I can teach what we call animal husbandry.
Not be juju be that.
You don't know what is called animal husbandry. How animal can be a husband to another animal, that is what they call animal husbandry. So I want to be a lecturer and I want to teach all the Nigerian youths because what is going market this time is animals. So I want to teach all the Nigerian youths, all the Ghanaian youths, all the Senegal, in fact the South African youths. I want to teach them how you can catch your neighbor's chicken on the neck without making noise. I want to start teaching it in this particular station by January last year. That is when I want to start to teach. That is what they call animal husbandry. How you can catch your neighbor's chicken on the neck without the chicken making noise, because you know the country is sad. A lot of youth want to be catching goats, want to be catching chicken without the neighbor knowing, so that people can feed. That is what, because the situation of the whole nation because of COVID-19 is affecting every of the youth.
No, Mom. You sure say that my fowl I buy last week. Sure say no be you kill and chop am.
Ankata, you see, maybe it is the people that are taught the trick on how to catch somebody's chicken on the neck without making noise. Maybe it is some you that did it too. But you cannot take me to court because you did not catch me red-handed. Or your chicken should have made noise in order for you to confirm that it is me.
Hey!